Hello, I'm CG This is a quick video to show how to make a Tarpapel in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. In this tutorial, I will use Presentation. Next, we can go to Elements and then go to Bottom. We can find Grids. Click and enter the grids. We can go to choose a grid. I want to find 3 times 3. So wait a moment. Over here, we can click 3 times 3 grid here, click to add into Canva design, and then we can adjust the size. For example, I adjust it to square. Something like this, and then put it to center. And then we can add photo. We can go to uploads to add photo. Click upload files or go to 3-dot menu to upload file. Or we can go to File folder. We can click and drag into Canva to import the photo. Now I click and drag into one corner. Double click to enter it. We can adjust the size. And then click an empty space to quit. Next, we can add the same photo and then click and drag to top and then double click to adjust it and move it to here. We can repeat the steps, put it here, double click, and adjust the size and quit. Actually, we can adjust the spacing. We can go to enlarge the grid spacing or we can reduce it. Depends on design. So we can repeat to do the Tarpapel. So this is how we can make Tarpapel in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yin. See you in the next video.